I'm going to try this. I don't know if I'm going to like it, but we'll see how it goes. I am Prickly. This is me. Hello. We're going to do a short overview of this modded Stryfe. And you can clearly tell it's modded because my battery tray doesn't fit. This started out as a project where I bought a blue Stryfe off a local Craigslist deal for about 15 bucks, I think I got this for. And it's in really nice shape. The shell's in nice shape. There's only a few scratches on the white and everything else is perfect. So I decided to pick it up. And I had a bunch of other parts lying around because... Let me put this battery tray back in. I had a bunch of other parts lying around because I had all this front worker vector kit. And I had it from prototyping Voidless Knight right there. It has the same exact kit, but it's custom 3D printed and everything. But it's the same kit, but I used this the prototype. I used my vector kit. But I didn't have a use for this anymore, so I decided to throw some stuff on here, the bottom of the vector kit. I had a J3D 3D printed magwell and that cut piece, and just threw all the bits on, and I turned out with this. So this is just something that's going to be a short, you know, pull off your hip with a sling point, a spammy blaster. It literally took me about an hour to whip up. But it's something nice to hang on my wall, along with all my other stuff. Kind of looks stock, kind of doesn't, but, you know. So, internal mods with this, there's a Gen 1 Eclipse cage in here. Now, when I ordered mine, I heard all the problems, but I decided to give it a whirl anyway. I bought mine from Foam Freaks. Check them out. Put their stuff in the description. I bought it specifically from Evan, who matched the wheels for me, so I don't have any problems with my wheels or anything. I got some of the good ones, and I like them in black better than the white, so... Yeah. They're running Fang revamps and an Omron switch down here. And then inside it is running a Devil Z half dart pusher. So it can push full and half length darts. Now the only problem is I have worker mags, so they don't really work out that well with those because they're not far enough forward. So the pusher doesn't really want to work with them. So I have to get 3D printed adapter mags and some 3D printed mags and do that. So that's how that's going to go. But that's for the future. I just wanted to show this off today. Something quick and dirty. I was going to add some motor covers and everything, but I wanted to keep it as sleeper as possible and put as little parts into it as possible because I was going to... The Eclipse cage is swappable, so I can put in any blaster, but it's probably just going to stay in this because this is just a really short, you know, spammy blaster that I want some good range out of. So, I mean, it's an Eclipse cage, so it's throwing darts pretty fast. You'll see in the shooting demo. It's going pretty well, but I am noticing on darts that are used, the tips just fly off, which that's all with all Eclipse cages though. But with brand new AccuFakes and AccuStrike darts, perfectly fine. Elite darts just suck. So, but yeah, let's do a shooting demo of this, just something quick and easy, and then we'll go do a recap. Alright guys, this is going to be a shooting test for the Sleeper Eclipse Stryfe. Still need to do that battery door. Even with a small 2S that's only 0.95, it's just not wanting to go in there. So we'll have to keep working on this, but it looks pretty good for now. So this is with the Gen 1 Eclipse cage and wheels, but they're one of the good ones. So let's give some firing demo. Now I am having some wheel rubbing in here, but should be good for a few test shots. I'm too lazy to open it right now. So let's see how it goes. That's all I have. But as you can see, it's easily reaching the shed, which is a pretty good distance away. So I'm pretty happy with that. So yes, this thing shoots pretty far. That shed is about 80 to 90 feet away. That's my shooting range. Because I can pick up all the darts and all that stuff. So that's usually what I try to get my blasters to, hitting that shed, because that's about half our field up the Blair County Nerf group. So I try to have my blasters at least hit that wall. And most of these ones up here do. Some of them don't, but some of them look cool, so it's okay. But yeah, that's just the power of the Eclipse cage, a one-stage flywheel system that can hit about as far, you know, as some modified recons and everything like that, but... You know, this is a lot easier to do than a recon because it's just wiring and just spamming. So, you know, like, there are a few things I need to do to this. As I said, even with this tiny LiPo, this 95 milliamp one from Out of Darts. It doesn't fit in here. And I need to trim down this battery tray still, like sand it down. Then I need to do some more trimming on the inside. But that's why I don't use Stryfe magwells on any of my Stryfe mods, like up there. I don't use them. Autofocus, stop. Yeah, I don't like Stryfe battery trays, let it be known. But I don't want to get a 3D printed one because I don't want to spend the money on something quick and dirty like this, and I know I can make it fit. You can make anything fit if you try hard enough, kids. So yeah, that's my quick and dirty Stryfe mod. That's actually what I'm going to call it, quick and dirty. So, because it's quick and it's dirty to hit people with. Yeah. Few things though. Let me know if you like this format of me sitting in front of my blaster porn. It's actually not as hard as I thought it would be. I thought I was going to have to do a big reveal video like, I'm me. But no, it's stupid. I'm just going to put this up and see how you guys like it. Instead of me talking with my hands. Some videos I'll probably still do that, like parts reviews and stuff, because you can't really see a Stryfe cage like right here, like, oh, look at this little cage. But, you know, for blasters, big blasters, like stuff I'm working on, it'll work. I think it'll work. And I think this will work. Just give me time. But some other things, videos, as you can see, are kind of slow on the channel. School started back up, first year of college. Woohoo, pit proud. I actually got rid of most of my projects. There were about 4 projects that I hadn't done in progress. Like the longest one in progress was about 1.5 years, and I was just not feeling them anymore. So yeah, I have a few other projects going on. I have I don't even know what I'm calling it the laser Stryfe. Some of you might know what this shell is, some of you might not. Follow me on Instagram and Facebook. I actually post a lot about my work. I post almost every day because I like to keep them updated, but editing in YouTube videos I can't do those every day. So I'm working on that. I have a few other projects. I just bought a lot of parts for this big beauty right here. That one, I need to work on my pointing. And then that hammer shot, might do a video on that soon. You know me, I don't really post videos that much. I just kind of build and go. But those are all, like, I have all the parts for that. I have the breech, everything. I have everything ready. Finishing a commission right now. Actually just did another Eclipse commission. Need to still do a video on the Gaties. Some of you might like that. I actually might film that after this and just keep the same format and just keep chucking videos, and then I'll edit them all and post them maybe like every 2-3 days. Keep you guys entertained. I literally half this wall I've never talked about. I've talked about 1, 2, 3, 4, and that's probably about it. And I have a good bit on that wall. All this stuff on this side's modded. Then down into here too. And then the only things that are stock are the 3 whiteouts, which I actually might be selling. Go check out my eBay in the description. And then the 2 long shots. And everything else is modded, including that big tube thing. I'll have to do a video on that. Yeah, so throwing in with the Stryfe mod, a little bit of a channel update. I'm sorry, I didn't want to post just a channel update. Nobody watches those. But that's what's going on. Hope you guys like this new format. Let me know if you like it, because I'm just going to keep chucking them out. And then if you guys don't like it, I'll just refilm them with my hands down, all boring and stuff like that. But yeah. But yeah, this is the Stryfe. Hits pretty hard. It's an Eclipse Stryfe. You know, another Stryfe mod. I don't have enough electronic blasters. I'm trying to get back into springers with some of the other projects I'm doing. So, but yeah, I've actually been enjoying doing. I hate recons. I'm still off topic. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you like the new format and you like where this channel is heading, more personal, please let me know, because it would mean the world. It is kind of nervous to do this because I don't really like putting my face out there that much, but screw it. So if you guys like my content, please like, comment, subscribe. Again, reminder on the format. And as always, have a great day.